Finally made it to Sorority Row. I have been trying to get to this thing 5 years ago when it first started, but either if I'm away on vacation or technically I'm on another engagement or so, at least credit to my buddy Cam here. He's actually recommended me, making sure that I don't miss this time. And awesome too as well. We were able to park at an awesome parking space, and that's Cam's white Mark 7.5 and my favorite future car behind me, which is even awesome here, guys. I don't know if you guys can hear me because there's the mic here, but we got our CS2 or C2 CS2, I guess, Carrera right there, which is awesome. But anyways, guys, finally we made it to the show, and I'm gonna focus on getting some cars and see some nice cars. It's my first time here, like I said, so we're gonna try and get our nice footage here. Stay tuned. Again, hopefully we don't get copyrighted here, but I want to check out this Integra here. Very nice Integra. It looks like it has V16.
I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun.
What an awesome day again, guys, as always. What a beautiful view we have of downtown Calgary behind us. What more can you ask? Such a beautiful place. I actually never thought about coming here, possibly one of my drives. That's actually a pretty cool place to do any kind of shots for the cars, so I'd probably take the Golf R one of these days and do like a nice rolling shots here and everything. So anyways, guys, a little windy today, but it's awesome. As you guys can see, an amazing day to enjoy. What a Sunday to enjoy some cars. What more do you want, right?
Just wanna have some fun, yeah.
Hey, we got our Nismo R33 behind me here. Pretty nice. So clean, as you guys can see. Beauty. Dream come true for sure. That is awesome. Splendid cars here, guys, and we'll walk around here and basically go through each of the cars they have. Some of the cars that I would truly enjoy here. You got an S2000 coming up here and a Civic.
I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun.
Well, I got invited to do some spin here, see my luck. Are you gonna bring me some luck?
Absolutely.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So what should I do here?
Give it a good spin.
Awesome, man.
Give it a good spin.
What can I win?
You win a free detail.
Let's see.
Oh, that's a good spin.
See how it goes, guys. Where do we land?
Hey,
All right,
get a picture
all right.
with the crew.
Oh, that's awesome, guys. One more do I need, but the whole picture with the crew, right?
Everybody.
That is awesome, guys. All right, I gotta turn this off, so get some photos here. Oh, we got a GT4 Celica here, a JDM car. It's worth mentioning, that's for sure. Japanese car, pretty neat. We don't get this car over here. It says GT4 right there. Pretty nice. It's like a Celica Supra, basically. It looks like neat. Well, for the Honda boys out there, you guys can see we got some Type R's going on here. Also, we got a Honda Fit right there, which is pretty cool. Very nice, nicely done. Not sure if any swaps on this baby, maybe a K20, K24 swap. Sweet. With a wang. Well, guys, we'll call this a wrap. I'm heading home because I gotta spend some time with the family here. It's Sunday evening. So anyways, guys, it's so much fun being here as always. I'm glad that I actually made it this time because I've always been missing it, like I said. So anyways, guys, it's an amazing day. So from here on, peace out.